How long it takes to go to the beach? What, 15 minutes?
15 minutes from here to the beach.
15 minutes to the beach. And you know I'm paying no $120 a night.
No.
You see me? Light your fire, roast your breadfruit.
And we have a lot of holes and stuff. I mean, I think of some holes and stuff, right? You know, if we just clean them, put the pit over it, put it in the bowl, and like that. Up here. You understand?
Big one, big pit.
Yeah, just a pit up here. So. But here, I put the camp. Right on the crown and stuff. I want the sunrise, the sunset. I have to have the sunset live. Anybody come, I want to have the sunset straight in a nigga already.
Best sunset in Jamaica.
Yes, this. And I hit more on it, and I have it.
Best sunset in Jamaica.
Yeah.
I see it just starts now.
Before me acknowledge that piece of land, I'm sure we acknowledge it. And when me come towards the land, every man run gone. So when I run, they say, yes man, I can't manage it. And every man will run, me feed them out of it. But I mean one time feeding him. Yeah man, every man come, man. I tell them to come for food, man. I never take $1. Yeah man, I re-clean me, I spray down, That piece in my glass on for my shit down. Take out a bush, put it in food, straight food, man. Herb after there, right? Enough though. If you have enough herb on the property.
This is
Well,
free.
if you want dandelion, we have dandelion down there, so. Dandelion down there, so. I don't kill no dandelion, I don't kill no herb, I don't have no time for that.
So most of your herbs are down there.
Yes, see dandelion here. Dandelion. See, in Ghana bed, I tell them say every tree sleep, you might lock up there.
Yeah.
Ghana in bed. They sleep. No man can get no herb, no you drinking, or no use there. Even then gone to in bed. All I heard now taking back all the medicine. So we can't give nobody no herb. If you're a real bushman, I can't give nobody no herb like that.
So wait, if I'm thinking about the electrical energy, because the sun not out, connect and pull up the electrical energy for the leaf them stand up.
Yeah.
When the sun goes down,
Everything
the electricity go back down.
Right down in the earth. That's why I could do it clean. Anytime I catch 4:30, I must throw down all the tool and stop work your farm. The earth come back and sleep.
Because of the sun.
Yes. Just work with you and everything what you plan to do. Look for my bean farm. Right now I'm not planning on bean until June. For right now you get too much bush. I'm black off all of them plastic and the bean. But the bean good for everything in a human body. The first thing your eyesight. If I burn the cataract on your head back. The bean.
Like the purple onion.
Yes, and the purple onion. You understand me?
Why the bean? Because it's deeply connected somehow?
Yes, the bean is a deep thing for your body. Deep thing than the purple onion. But after you get the bean cooking, you can just cut up the purple onion and eat it raw and drink the water. I better feel.
Good for your eyes.
Yes, it burn out everything. But anytime you eat onion, study your body. You see them two places. Anytime you eat onion, it burn you like pepper and I cramp off the onion. Just chop a raw onion, the purple one. Yeah. The foot of my swells big so you know, man. And I lie down, you know. And just say the foot have better. I'm just use the vinegar and the purple one and I see it. So everybody said I have to cut off. I said no man. They say me have this, me have that. Me run go to doctor. Doctor said, boy, I don't no complain for you. I can't find nothing for you. I said, alright, doctor, send me home. And so I come home. I walk your foot. I look about to myself. Put on my socks at night time with my purple one. And you suck out everything. When you look on your morning time, you can't believe I want it. You read on the blood for my finger. So what? Just cut up here and put in your socks. The whole of your foot bottom. And put on the socks. Just put it in your socks and put on. When you go to your bed, you can't do it in a drawer enough for you just suck your body. And if you're in a drawer now, you still catch cold. So you have to indoor. You can't outdoor. And in the morning now when you come out, make sure your shoes very dry if you put on. Not no wet. It is like you go over and Morris says to work and you're supposed to throw some rum in your shoes. For 10, 11 o'clock before Morris gone back down. For him to up everything. The frost out time in come from and take your land. The Morris. I remember saying him, you see like I said now you live as a earthquake passing. You know feeling. And Morris take everything. Yeah. A man, you go tired with that man, say, boy, you know, sir, earthquake pass. I say, you know, something how you feel it. You're up on the marrows. The whole of down, so my land foot, so a pure riverhead go right down. The whole of it, a pure riverhead, pure water. And they used to me clean the marrows and you come back, for you come back. I will show you river them. Water can show you every one of them. The water they pump up. So. A vision they get for this, man. Every man out and Ample Road, I find out how me want control this a piece of land and have it. And they want to acknowledge. They can't come in. Man, come over here and you want pumpkin seed, you know. Yeah, man. You say, concrete boy, you want to plant pumpkin. I give one other bag of pumpkin seed. The other 3 more months, he come back and beg me pumpkin. I say, go and go pick it, man. Look at your bush, pick pumpkin and go cook. I say, just see pumpkin, pick pumpkin. I don't want it. It's too much. First, me got to sell like every week. And every day one car comes, so one call in and load.
So you have a marketplace?
Yeah, man.
You have a direct market?
Yeah.
Straight to the hotel?
Yeah. And when me ready, you know, the crop here now, anything else me put in the crop here now, the crop already. I want to pick 350 pounds, I'll give post.
That's what I like it, sir.
I give post 350 pounds, weight, and give them. I mean, I want, me I pay taxi man, I go give them. I mean, I want $1. Nobody not tell me, so them give me $1. I don't want it. Me not pray. Nothing me not have way too good to give nobody. You come here and have no food and you find me.
Live for live.
You have to live.
Live for live.
Yes. I tell people every day my money in my pocket enough for more. I can't do it. If I go to my bed tonight, I can't sleep for you hungry. I mean, why you hungry. You understand? No, I can't do that with people. If I saw we feel live, we have to live. If I saw me feel live, me have to live some. I can't tell the next man if you live we like how me living.
Yeah, but you have to live how you want.
Yes.
How you feel comfortable.
Me have me born at Westmoreland, reporting Westmoreland Pity. Me have land with Roger Clark upon a 199 acre William Seal for me. Roger Clark, Minister of Agriculture for me land. Me have 2,900 acre Cave Mountain. Me have 50 acre beach out of farm. And I left Belmont and grown. Right if I to see you all bus there, I'm up there hang up there, so right so then say welcome to farm. A big place, you see fence up with the wall for me. My daddy left guest house a White House for me. And see me. I live like no. Me no burn weed from the barn. Me no drink weed tea. I just some live. Eh?
A man will never know.
So when you sit down and look for me, alright, the first weed my daddy plant is 25 acres. I never smoke, I never drink none of them tea. And see me, I have 52 right now, standing on Jamaica side. Well going strong. Eh? I run up and down. Eh? And see it, I have to help a man to feed him farm. Which part of the country, I like big man, I go help him farming, you know. And I have to run him farm around this. And give me next 2 more months, just a lack off. I have to consider about more land to plant. I not stop planting food, the food I want to plant, I want to have it. By nation want it. And not everybody going to have the money to buy it. You can't make them go to them bed hungry. Everybody will tell me to me, I idiot, I give it too much.
Yeah, too much to give.
Man, yeah, man. You never, no man. Just plant, you're right. You see that little patch of bean there? Give it, pick off the first set and give it. And watch the second set. You sell it till you don't want the money. I bless you, you get from the first set, you get the people. First set, you give old lady and he said, God bless you, my son. If he'll full, you can't pick you, what you do with it. You can't do nothing with it. You don't happy. You don't understand me. So we have to know ourselves. If we don't know ourselves, we're back against the wall. Yeah. We have to deal with it. Deal with the mother hurt. I mother hurt. This is the hurt. This is the mother hurt. And I hit we have to live off. And we have to live from it. We come from it. When you come, we go back to it. And we that. You understand me? Yes. We have to conscious in our way. If we're not conscious. Alright. Look at this now. We meet this man on a pokey easy, you know. And I just did hear my reason and they tell him about herbs and things and so we come back right here, so. Right, you know my farm. You understand? Yeah. You understand? So I tell them about my farm, and when they come see it, I mean, I say, me they talky, and I know so my farm I run.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah? Yes.
Yes. The journey. When I see episode 1, I don't understand. Wow. Today was a blessing.
Come on again, my man. Go back to the 9 level.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, I want to put in the chat. Man, I pick that up. I want to carry it here. Yeah, we carry it in the bar.
Yo, there's going to be a lot of people over the states coming to plant them thing, you know.
Yeah.
It's going to be a Jamaica Good Life massive just coming to Negril with them tents, the mosquito nets, and bring them tools and them seeds, and just plant and just give her the food. The elders not trenched out. Elders not,
you
not
must have a while.
Yeah.
Portion of them pumpkin I forgot to post. Me tell you that. I sent me got 200. Let me see. Me carry all that tongue go give them. That's a 20 years. Cabbage everything, no cut and carry go give them. 90. And somebody when they eat it, they must say, God bless the farmer. Because I heard like that. No money no pay to me. But the blessing of Father just show for me.
Take a blessings and move harder.
Yeah. Me go full.
Harder.
Yeah, me go full up. The basket I go full. And this.
And what it good for?
Eh? You tell them, man. You see the dandelion? Eh?
Expensive, you know?
Very expensive. Yes, a piece of land now, me have to spray go back right on right one. Dandelion. Dandelion. What do them? This is for the bird. This is a bird pepper. I plant them special for the bird eat. Yeah. Here, so I not live to myself. I plant the hot pepper alone. See me dash in course. Nobody not there for it. I got me alone. That piece of land now, dandelion now, clean it. Straight up. Yes, see dandelion seed on. You know, natural herbs. Let's go in. So, anyhow, you just put them everything on your phone and send them to them for them know what they want them for. See them and them as dandelion. The seed of the dandelion is good for gallstone. Your patchy, it's an nickel. Put in a mortar, beat it. Your patchy beat it, and you use it as coffee for gallstone. Dandelion this. You understand? Yeah. Yeah man, everything what you say after me man, every earthly thing man. I take out back a piece of land here now. You understand? I take out everything out of this. Green up here. Oh, that's alright. Cut it back brown. So. Green up here. Pepper everything over there. So. Dash in over there so I can eat.
Your chicken weed is around.
Yeah, I have chicken weed. Everything there. So any herb you want, just link me to find it. Load up on your move. Yeah. I work with the earth. I have no more earth to do. Plant food. Deal with herbs. And I get, if you more me deal with herb, I'm more my brain work more wide as an old man. Understand? Yeah.
What's this one here?
That's a broomweed.
Broomweed.
Yeah.
Good for what?
The broomweed is a thing like this now. Where you can't boil with said guinea hen. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it said company you use it to guinea hen for you use the broomweed tree. And this is the sugar. That's Spanish legal. That's the sugar. Spanish legal.
Sugar?
Yeah.
Yeah. Rabbit food?
Yeah, that's the sugar. And remember, say you can't eat. Eh? The grass I am wild time. They go to gripe into baby. Baby they gripe. Yeah. This.
How you get them? Boil
it and get them.
Oh, when it dry?
Yeah. All herbs to dry. No. No green herb we no use. See pumpkin on my ass. You don't know see.
We'll go after.
Yeah? Everything.
We'll go for two of the big cane, you know.
You want cane, man, no problem. You know, no problem, man. You should have cut already still, you understand? But they can't get it.
You want a big sugar cane to eat? Tell the people when they come to Jamaica, they must eat sugar cane.
See birds feed now, man.
Birds, what you call it?
This is a bird pepper.
That's that. Tell the people about the sugar cane and we do that.
And
We'll go pop two of them.
come on. Can't go for mash it.
Can't mash up the, yeah, even jelly coconut the year now, so.
You have jelly too?
See in front of you, jelly coconut tree there, a young one.
Elvis.
Everything happening in due processing already.
Elvis has this very subtle, serious, comedic side to him. Deeply funny. Deeply, what's the word is used? Elvis Elvis is what? No, here's what I'm saying. You see this? And tell me if I'm wrong. Would this be a good place for us to camp?
I can't put this, of course, Andy.
I'm just,
Andy.
just yes or no.
Andy,
Mhm.
I know you put a tent. Saying, once you have the right people, it's a good place.
I go on the internet and the research to the pumpkin seed. Where you find it?
A good magnesium.
Alright.
Mother teach me that. Give her credit. My mother the great, you know.
So, Rodney, the man says sugar cane bus gas.
You know your words. Your words, Elvis.
About my words.
I'm not going to even
Entertained.
process it more time. I have to just write it down on a board, read it. Give thanks, Lion.
Sugar cane a big Rodney.
Yes, but
Put name out and show the people how you
that's why I'm not processing language, you know. The youth are dangerous, you know. You can't process him, man. I'm tricky. You're tricky.
I want to know what. More calm manager.
Alright, here Rodney, put the cup in front of your mouth. That's what I want to feel.
So you have some bird pepper.
Yeah, that's what I like.
You have some bird
That's the good
pepper.
rasta. The bird pepper. You know swallow it. So the people who know when you go up to group and food. Also pure. Real food. Nice one. People are fun and fun people. You know?
Oh, you have some okra.
Okra can't eat okra.
Yeah, go now.
I didn't know I should
Give
have
thanks.
So?
So I bust them up at the car.
No, mash it, stay down here. That's right.
Okay.
Fresh on the tree. Just pick it and put it in your mouth and eat it. Just try it up.
Elvis, more eat everything, you know.
Huh?
And the stem too, you know.
No, man. You know what about that?
You want to eat some bird pepper with it too?
Eat bird pepper already.
You eat bird pepper with it?
Eat already. Just throw this pepper in your mouth, Rodney, and swallow it. Man round me, you know. No man, none of them man they round me, you know. We're a soldier. You understand? You know we're a soldier. So we don't want them man around me. So if you want them man to ride me, put my remote right now and swallow it.
Oh, the Almighty, give thanks and blessings to creation.
Look how you're fresh now, man. Nice.
Concrete,
Nice.
your blessings, man.
Nice.
Your blessings is great. You know, really appreciate. Hey, Concrete, no mind one day just say we set up camp and you come in and a whole bunch of women are dance around naked, you know.
No, not on the farm. Not on the farm.
Before him plant the weed,
No,
we have to make the one them dance naked.
not on the farm.
It's alright, that's all. My brother, on the farm. My brother. No.
What now have against naked women are dancing and run a fire?
On the farm. My brother. Not on the farm.
You see this? This I got broke down. That's right, that's all.
Yeah.
I build a camp with a upstairs, right? That's all. Now use force and cut off that limb there. And shape up the tree. I build one upstairs, right?
Yes, so we have to camp out when we get the tent, you alright?
Nice camp or someone. Go just so.
Alright, just so all the way are coming now.
Alright.
Yeah, that's right.
So when we come to the west, right here, so. So Concrete, we just bring the water in.
No, water not your problem.
Alright. Stay upon it. I'm going to stay while we are now.
Yeah, stay while we are now.
Christmas. First thing is move up.
The Almighty creation has blessed Jamaica good life. See all yammed.
No, them here are cocoa head.
A cocoa head.
Yeah, so you chop now. And I'm going to come back here and I'll come go around and so. The rest here I get the eye from. And if you plant. Like how you see that go?
Coconut. Yam.
That sheen. See yam this. See yam they go
So I
pan
can
stick.
blaze a big pot. Oh, I'm telling you one.
See me pot pan stand
Hey,
there.
nobody get afraid to come around here, you know.
Are you? Oi, wait me. See? See cassava there. Yam there, pumpkin there, planting.
More freedom. You see me? This is the first time the world has see your thing, your vision.
Yeah,
So now many people come to plant it up.
yeah, man.
And we have 13,000 subscribers. So them can't have no excuse.
No. We have everything like
You know?
All the man.
What are you saying?
Let's see. When you can't park up over your bush then. JJL,
Yeah. Right over there, sir. With the tent them and the people them. Cause we can bring a bag load of people for camp out. You see me? And plant. Concrete, that's the deal.
yeah, man.
I gotta bring the people to deal with the land for you. And then bring them tent.
Come on, do with positivity, why not?
Oh, you mean, man? You are the greatest positivity me ever encountered in Jamaica.
Man, so I'm planting the food. Get it. I'm alone can't eat it. Alone can't eat it. Someone apart the bank, so.
Go up on him, man. You can grow on him, man. Grow on him. Grow on him, man.
Big as Elvis.
Go down, man. Go down upon him.
I'm just gonna come out of the truck. How much space in one, so?
I learn the girl to drive.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I learn the girl to drive.
I look like I learn too.
Yeah, man. I run a thing and learn them for driving.
Yeah, because I know about traffic around here.
Oh.
So when they just start, then get them out. You get them out of the pick up on.
If them are runner, they run it to themselves.
Yeah.
You know, the lick, you know,
Nah, nobody.
Get and lick down.
Yeah, I want treat.
Yeah.
Yes, that was Kane.
No, that's just Jamaica good life because we have both worlds. We have the beach, we have the land, we have the food.
Yeah.
We have the man, we have the vision.
Inland and outland.
Yes. And it's close to the beach. You see me? And we have the love, you know? So you can't ask for more than that. Total freedom. You know. So me do my part, Concrete.
Me
Make
find
it.
myself, you know. If they come and start a land, you know. The people ain't coming like say, boy, Then just take me over game stuff. And I laugh with them every day. You know? And I sit down around them and them are laughing. And every one of them they laugh. They have to come back to me. You know? But they're in need of food. So they have to come back to me. But me don't go and have the food. You understand? And everybody part of go and pan fire. You understand?
Yeah.
So without that, we can't help them and they have to feel like food really live. People ain't come man, come put in and them put in man. We have land around the can done man, we have land to clean them like boy. Not truck and bus and car and shit out to people. With other Rasta man. You understand that we are yes.
Love yourself.
Yes.
Anna,
Yes.
respect.
Respect.
Enough for come.
Yes.
Go.
Yes.
All right.